Hello and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Hans Bleak. Today, the urban jungle. There's a lion behind me. It is not actually a lion, it is a Broadway musical. A Broadway musical is in itself terrifying because it makes a mockery of all that human civilization can be and all the excesses of human civilization. The excesses are, of course, bringing our doom. We are just little creatures in the grand scheme of things, and yet here we are trying to be as grandiose as possible in the middle of the urban jungle of New York City. There, of course, is the cheap piece of meat that we get, McDonald's, and all the rats getting the meat are down here. Welcome to the rat race. Rats are what we are. Rats are what we will always be. And rats are what we will eventually eat when we run out of everything. This is another edition of Bleak's Nature with your host, Hans Bleak, which is me.